everyone, welcome to eHub at Ashwini. Today we are going to discuss about Basic Sentence Structure 2. The Basic Sentence Structure 2 deals with the subject, verb and adjective. Adjective adds additional information to the subject. For example, Jack is busy. They are sick. He is intelligent. If you see the first sentence, what is Jack doing? He is busy. Actually, he is occupied. How are they? They are sick. What is he? He is intelligent. So here our adjectives are adding additional information to the subject. Now let's move on to the basic sentence structure 3. The basic sentence structure 3 deals with subject, verb and adverb. An adverb adds additional information to the verb. Where is Rohini? Rohini is here. Flowers are everywhere. She ran fast. This is how we can frame the sentences in the beginning level. Now let's move on for the basic sentence structure 4. The basic sentence structure 4 comprises of a subject, verb and a noun. The first example, they are students. She is my mother. That lady is a doctor. All these sentence structures helps the learners to frame the sentence effectively without any errors. Initially, the basic sentence structure started with the first basic rule, subject and verb. Later on, it moved on to subject, verb and adjective, adding additional information to the subject. Next, subject, verb and adverb, which adds additional information to the verb. Finally, subject, verb and a noun. Please practice these basic sentence structures for the sentence formation. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe eHub at Ashwin. Thank you.